So just go join a cat witch. Buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch Halloween shirt. Wormhole. Cat witch, buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch Halloween shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Botting is a problem, but cat witch, buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch Halloween shirt won't be solved with the removal of local. That will only hurt real players who are trying to make is. I think no local promoted a lot of sneaky play and made null feel very scary. I mean, it's null. It should have an element of a dangerous environment for it. It also allowed small 10 gangs to create problems, something that promotes small corporations to go out and get content is good for the game. The most important part was the bots stopped playing. I would like to think that if we kept no local, that those who were not happy would have moved to low sec and made it a thriving place again. Other products.